What if I told you there's a way to fuel your energy, sharpen your mind, and even turn back the clock on aging? Sounds too good to be true? I thought the same, until I tried BioNAD. This isn't just any supplement, it's a breakthrough in anti-aging and metabolic health. If you've been feeling sluggish, mentally foggy, or just not as vibrant as you used to, stay with me, because this might be the secret you've been waiting for. BioNAD isn't just a supplement, it's a game changer for anyone looking to regain youthful energy and vitality. At its core, BioNAD contains a proprietary blend called NAD4, which converts into NAD+ in your body. And NAD+, that's the powerhouse that fuels cellular energy, repairs cell damage, and keeps your brain and body performing at their peak. But here's the thing, as we age, our natural NAD+ levels drop. That's why you might feel drained, both mentally and physically, even if you're getting enough rest. BioNAD goes beyond just an energy boost. This supplement improves metabolic function, keeps your brain sharp, and even acts as a potent anti-aging ally. Imagine having all these benefits in one powerful capsule. Just 2 a day, and you're unlocking a whole new level of health. And you don't have to take my word for it. BioNAD is backed by cutting-edge research and crafted with proven ingredients. Inside each capsule, you'll find a blend of red wine grape skin and grapeseed extract, both rich in antioxidants that work like resveratrol, the natural compound known for its powerful anti-aging effects. BioNAD has the science behind it to give you the edge, day in and day out. With BioNAD, you're not just adding a supplement to your routine, you're activating autophagy, the body's process of cleaning up damaged cells and promoting cell repair. NAD+ plays a crucial role in DNA protection and repair, helping cells regenerate and stay healthy. It also triggers sirtuins, proteins that regulate cellular health and longevity. This means you're fueling your body with what it needs to stay youthful, resilient, and full of life. BioNAD users report improved energy, sharper mental focus, and enhanced endurance. This isn't just a product for aging, it's a supplement for living fully. Whether you're an athlete, a professional pushing through long days, or someone who simply wants to feel their best, BioNAD is for you. Elite athletes trust BioNAD to keep them on top of their game, and now you can too. And the best part? BioNAD is designed to be both powerful and safe. All the ingredients are vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and clinically tested for effectiveness and safety. You won't find artificial fillers here, just a powerful blend of ingredients that work with your body, not against it. BioNAD is more than just a product, it's a commitment to a better you. And you know I only bring you products that I believe in. So if you're ready to feel that surge of natural energy and vitality and support your body's anti-aging defenses, check out the link in the description. By ordering through the link, you'll get an exclusive discount and guarantee you're getting the original BioNAD supplement. Don't let life pass you by. Take control of your health and energy and experience the difference BioNAD can make.